So you have your new battery and your old battery. Now remember, our batteries has a positive and a negative. I will show you. The positive one terminal is bigger than the negative one. Okay, that's important to know. And also there's a sign here, negative, and there positive. See, that's important thing to know. Secondly, this is the positive side. There is a cover. The negative is it's okay to be exposed. Now the first thing to know when changing the battery is, first, rule number 1, you have to remove the negative side first. Put in a safe location. Cannot touch. It's okay that it touch because it's negative. Okay, that's first rule number 1. Then second, remove the positive one. Okay, now when you remove, after removing the battery and when replacing it, rule number 2 is, first, do not interchange. The last one that you remove is the positive. Okay, now this is the first one to connect. The negative is the last one. Okay, when you change the battery, did you get it? When you remove the battery, first remove the negative, last the positive. But when you replace it, first is the positive, then last is the negative. Do not forget, that's the rule number 1. Rule number 2, and it's very important. When you have your wrenches is long, that it may touch both ends, do not do it. Okay, they will never touch in each other with any conductor because it will spark, it will blow your battery. Okay, and instinctively you have to make sure that your battery is in place, rigid, and it cannot be immovable. Okay, so guard it well. That's the important thing to know about changing the battery, because there may come in our life that help is out of reach. Okay guys, that's how to change your battery. Then after that, because it is immovable and you have it fixed and fixed it well, the battery lifespan is only 2 years, but you can make it double, just like my old battery here. It almost lasted for 4 years, but the life of our battery, average life of battery is 2 years. Okay guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. I love you all. Bye bye.